channel show, we shared our recipes with millions of families. And now, Karma Babies, we are happy to share our meals with you. So come on into our kitchen, pull up a seat, and let's get this mukbang started. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be making some overnight oats to take with me when we go to #Highway Chronicles. So I need something that's really nutritional and, just good to eat. So today what we're going to take with us is using some apples, beautiful peaches. They are very nice and sweet. A little lemon zest, some bananas, and I hope this is a good pineapple. I'm not sure. We're going to find out, but we're going to have pineapple pieces also. Okay, so let's get started. We'll start by cutting all of our different fruits. I can't say the word fruit, guys, so we'll start with our pineapple, core it, and then we'll go on and cut it up into small bite-sized pieces along with our apples, our bananas, our peaches. I like to peel the skin off of the peaches. It's not necessary, but it's my preference. Here we have all the ingredients that we had to chop up by hand. We are making several containers of overnight oats, so we're also going to add strawberries and blueberries, granola, and I will be using yogurt, I'm going to try making this two different ways. The first one, I'm going to put the yogurt in first. I'm using almond milk. There you can see how it remained on top. I had to use a knife in order to get the almond milk to go down to the bottom of the jar. I'm using 8-ounce mason jars, by the way. Had to add a little more almond milk here. I'm also going to be using this raw organic honey. You can also use maple syrup. And let's add in our bananas, our strawberries, and we're going to top it off with some delicious granola that has raisins and almonds and all sorts of goodies in there for that natural crunch. Now we just simply put our lid on our mason jar. This is how it looks when you're finished with it. And we're going to start our next one. Now on this one, I'm going to put my oats in. These are just regular oats. I'm going to add my almond milk in first so that it's in connection right there with my oats. Then I will put my yogurt on top of there, and I will start adding some apples. Let's put some peaches in this one. And we'll top it off with our granola. You don't always have to add any additional maple syrup or honey if you don't want to. In this one, we are going to add in blueberries. And I just stir it around a little bit because I want to make sure that the milk and the oats make a connection, because it is overnight oats, and that's what helps it all come together. Now on top of here, I like to add some chia seeds for their nutritional benefits. And we just put our lid on and we are done. After that, simply take them to your refrigerator, store them overnight, and you'll wake up in the morning to a very nutritional and delicious breakfast. I made some overnight oats last night, and this one I think I have pineapples and I have some strawberries in here. So I'm going to eat that on the way so I can have some energy to get my morning started. I have a little granola here that I'm going to put on top. It's like a little bowl of energy here. The oats. I have honey in here and
honey out here.
Very good. You want to taste, Grandpa?
Nope, I don't eat sweets.
This is really delicious.
But I can taste it.